We are co-founders of Zoils Pigments. This is a business that makes soil-based paints, and our mission is to connect people with soils, not only about why soils are important, but also the origin of the materials. Sometimes people use paints, but they don't know where the pigments come from, so we want to attach certain location with the colors that are in those landscapes, but also connecting people why we should conserve soils and why soils matters.
At the beginning of the summer, we had certain goals we wanted to accomplish in the Summer Founders Program, and the advisors have been very helpful in helping us reach those goals in a shorter time period than we would normally achieve them. And that's been good because we can realize what we're capable of. We launched the Happy Valley collection in Webster's Cafe. It was a very good event. We had many people come by, try out the paints, learn about our products and our business. People liked it. It was good feedback.
I will say to students that are thinking about business that they have an idea. It doesn't have to be quick. Sometimes we think that the business has to be fast, everything very quick, but you can start your business in a slow and steady way. You should not wait. You can be both a student but also launching your business.